एंड आई थिंक आप सबको पता होगा दैट गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने 59 ऐप्स को बैन कर दिया है, इंक्लूडिंग Shein।
गाड़ी वाला आया घर से कचरा निकाल, गाड़ी वाला आया घर से कचरा निकाल।
And we need to respect it, because with all due respect, we actually accept what has been done. Now we need to move on from the apps that we were using. हमें Chinese apps से ज़्यादा Indian apps पे ज़्यादा focus करना है. And after all, lockdown में we need our Indian brands to grow and to actually earn out of it.
Why Dada? Why?
This is business.
एंड ताकि हमारी इंडियन इकोनॉमी बूस्ट हो, एंड ऑब्वियसली अगर हम ही नहीं खरीदेंगे तो और कौन खरीदेगा, और कौन खरीदेगा। सो Shein तो शी आउट हो गया है, लॉल। एंड सो वी हैव विद 5 brands that are replacement
Alternatives of
इस घर का कुछ ठीक नहीं हो सकता, कुछ ठीक नहीं हो सकता कभी।
So we are here with 5 brands which are a replacement for Shein that you can buy from.
They're actually replacement.
Yeah. So the first brand is actually, I think हम सबको पता है, it's Myntra. तो
Myntra में I think ये बात सबको ही पता है कि how good Myntra is. Myntra has every freaking brand, every freaking price. You name it, like you will get prices from 10,000 to even 1,000 rupees to even 100 rupees. I mean, just name the price, just name the category, you'll have it.
Yeah. So Myntra is
every, or even और मतलब सारे celebrities, I mean Shahid Kapoor, Deepika Padukone, Hrithik Roshan, Virat Kohli, Anushka Sharma, सारे Myntra पे हैं,
and I mean उनके brands Myntra पे हैं. So we won't be talking about Myntra a lot because we both know that I think सबको Myntra के बारे में पता है काफी अच्छे से, and we'll be talking about some other 5 brands that you can shop from. And the first one is Cooves.
Cooves is actually a really funky, trendy app. You get good funky clothes, trendy clothes in very, very reasonable prices. There is massive sale on their app always, like 24 hours, 12 seasons, 12 seasons नहीं, 12 months. तो मतलब हमेशा चलती रहती है और काफ़ी ट्रेंडी, काफ़ी रीजनेबल कपड़े होते हैं, और हमने कई बारी Cooves से ऑर्डर करा है। और
Cooves की क्वालिटी, अगर it's not like कि सस्ता है तो क्वालिटी अच्छी नहीं है, even the quality is really nice. And I think it's a great app and a great alternative for Shein. So the next brand that we're going to be talking about is Ajio, and we both feel that Ajio is a really nice brand. It's actually a mostly Indo-Western brand, and आपको बहुत अच्छे Bohemian pieces, Indian pieces like Banjaran kind of vibes वाले clothes आपको बहुत अच्छे price में मिल जाएंगे. And also I would like to mention that Ajio is not as cheap as Cooves और Myntra for that matter, but Myntra तो चलो हर प्राइस है, but Ajio is like medium price.
प्राइस कैसे है कि बहुत ज़्यादा मीडियम रेंज है और क्वालिटी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी है, so that is really good alternative for Shein, and you must try it.
The third option that we have for you is Lulu & Sky. So Lulu & Sky is a brand that आपको बहुत सारे random products मिल जाएंगे. I think the clothing is kind of random, and यहाँ पे sale is like almost हमेशा वहाँ पे sale रहती है, and I feel Lulu & Sky is like street shopping में जो कपड़े मिलते हैं, तो उन्होंने basic कपड़ों को revamp करके उन्हें unique style में they put up, and I think that's a really nice way to like dress up your game.
और इनके यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा सेल लगती है, बहुत ज़्यादा, मतलब 50%, 70%, so that is really bonus point. और बस आपको एक आई होनी चाहिए कि आपको क्या चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैंने अपनी फ्रेंड के लिए एक बार स्वेटर लिया था, which came out to be really good in quality. प्राइस में सेल में वो 500 का था, बट एक्चुअली में वो 2000 का था,
and the quality was next level.
बहुत अच्छी थी.
Also,
and other than that we also bought our shoes from Lulu & Sky. She's got her dress. So
all in all, we'd like to say that it's a really nice brand and you should definitely check it out. So the fourth brand is Mizamor Clothing. I think You might have come across them on Instagram because a lot of bloggers are associated with Mirza More. So I think the price range is really nice, and also variety and quality because we have ordered from them several times. That's also really appreciable. And since it's an Indian brand,
we must appreciate it. And also I feel Mirza More is actually underrated quite a lot. क्योंकि यहाँ पे इतना कुछ है और prices कम है. मतलब especially जब college time में थी, I used to shop. मतलब we used to shop a lot. हाँ, तो उस time में बहुत था और reasonable भी था. Plus मतलब designs बहुत सारे थे. So that is, I mean, who doesn't love ढेर सारे designs and good
and that too at a cheap price, no?
Another app that or another brand that we would suggest you to check is Burger Bay, which is really funky and trendy brand.
Yes, and
which we came across on Instagram.
Yes. And इनकी clothing जो है that mostly kind of follows the 90s theme, the 90s clothing. And उसमें Shein के literally copies भी मिल जाएंगे आपको. It's a really nice brand, and the pricing is also really affordable. It's really trendy and उसमें पूरा western wear है. So
mostly इनके यहाँ पे t-shirts, hoodies with really
cool,
good
like very cool
prints.
graphics.
I really love their collection. और मतलब crop tops बहुत ज़्यादा cool collection है. Last but not the least is Eva Young.
So we came across this brand on Instagram. So we saw their page and we found their collection really nice. It's actually very cutesy, very florally, very girly kind of collection.
And very much like Shein. This app is literally very much like Shein.
True. And Eva Young से हमारी एक friend ने order करा था and she said that the quality was amazing and it got delivered within 10 days, which is I think nice because अभी lockdown है.
इतना तो standard भी होता ही है.
Yeah.
And Shein से we used to expect our orders in 10-15 days, so that is also fine. Never spread negativity on anyone or any brand because it takes a lot to build a brand, to invest in it. बहुत ज़्यादा खून पसीना लगता है छोटे से छोटे ब्रांड को बनाने के लिए भी. So appreciate it
and support it and help it grow.
So
we also have a lot of other brands that we would like to talk about that are Indian, but I think we would make another video for that if you guys like this one. So we'll just wrap this video up. Don't forget to follow on our Instagram. My Instagram handle is 99_Isha.
And mine is AnshuB25.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and
push the bell icon.
Yes. Like, comment, वो सब करो. And we'll see you next time.